First we will make the adai. To make the adai, we will need half a cup of chana dal or the gram dal, tur dal, half a cup of idli rice. You can even mix raw rice. Half a cup of urad dal. I'm now going to add water. Wash this nicely and allow it to soak. When it is soaking, you should add at least 7 to 8 red chilies. As you can see, I have washed the pulses and I have mixed the chilies in it, allowing it to soak in the water. Let's now get to making the avial. I'm going to show you the vegetables that I'm going to use. These are vegetables which will make our avial very, very tasty. So I have yam. Of course, I'm going to take some portion of this yam. Then I have raw banana. Again, I will not use the full raw banana. I will use only half of it because that much is the quantity only I'm going to make. Raw banana. We will take some beans, bottle gourd, carrot, drumstick, small onions, chow chow, potato. I'm going to add green chili, ginger, coconut. So all of this I will show you the size of the vegetables that I will cut in some time, and now I'm going to cut the vegetables. Okay, so I have cut all the vegetables. If you can see, I've cut in this size. You can cut it a little smaller if you want. All the vegetables are soaked in the water because yam and your bottle gourd and all may get black. Even raw banana changes its color, so that's why I've soaked everything in water. Now what I will do is I will boil all the vegetables in another pan. This is not enough, so I'm going to take another pan and boil all the vegetables in the water first. Yeah. So what I've left now is coconut, the ginger, and green chilies. I've taken 3 green chilies because vegetables are in good quantity, so that's the only spice, and that's why all of this I'm going to grind. I'm not going to grind so much coconut. I will probably take just 1 cup of coconut and then grind all of that. I will show you in due course of time. Also the small onions, I have peeled it and washed it and kept it aside. This I will use it while seasoning. We'll also need curry leaves while seasoning, so I've kept this washed and kept aside. Alright, so let me show you, get into the next step of boiling these vegetables. Alright viewers, so I'm ready with my pan and my induction in which I'm going to boil the vegetables. Let me switch this on. Fresh water. We'll just put enough water that all the vegetables get submerged into the water, not too much water also, because avial is supposed to be semi-gravy, so we can add water later, but at this point in time when we are boiling the vegetables, I'm not going to add too much water. So chow chow, drumstick, raw banana, carrot, all of this is very, 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 very good for your health, and this is one of the most healthiest South Indian dish, basically from Kerala. I need some more water, so I'm going to add that. about it. I'm not just going to boil this. Cover this with a lid. I think there's some more left, so we will include this chow chow. That's it, we're done. Okay, now let us check if the vegetables are all boiled. I have one by one, since there are so many vegetables, you should check one by one if they have been all boiled. Use a knife and check. Drumsticks done. You can see the color itself. Carrot is done. Guys, all vegetables are done. They are all boiled well. At this stage, you should switch off and keep it closed for some time. Strain the vegetables. Leave the water aside because we may need later to mix that water in the avial when we make it. I am now going to grind. This is nicely soaked for the last 45 minutes to 1 hour. I have soaked all the pulses. We are going to grind this, and we are going to grind the green chilies as I mentioned earlier, the ginger, and we will also put the coconut, at least 1 cup of coconut, and grind all of this. So the pulses and the coconut I'm going to grind. After which we are ready to make the avial. Okay, so let me just remove and separate the vegetables and the water. Here you go. Let this be kept aside now. And this will be kept aside as well. Okay, I have connected my mixie jar. Right, I put some pulses, soaked pulses in it, and we're going to grind this. I'll have to do this in 2 portions because the quantity is more. Okay, there are still some grains which are full, so we'll do this only 1 more time. Once more I'm going to slowly grind it. Show you once again. This should be good enough, and it won't be like the typical dosa batter because obviously there are so many pulses, but this should be good enough. Alright, so I have now ground everything, and little water I have added. I'm just going to show you. Mix it well. I have still not added salt. After you mixed this well, I'm going to add salt, and when you're going to make the ade, I will include finely chopped onions. All right, so as of now I'm just mixing this properly. Add salt to taste, and your ade dough is ready. So I'll just show you the consistency. you will be able to make a day with this. Alright, now I have taken, as I mentioned, I have taken the coconut, green chili and ginger. I'm going to add a little bit of cumin seeds in this. Yeah, cumin seeds, just maybe half a teaspoon, and grind this. Let me grind this. So, you know, it can be a bit more finer. I'm going to add some more water in this. It can be a bit more finer. Look, this is how it should be. Yeah, so we are good to go to make the avial now. Okay, it's time now for me to make the avial. This is coconut oil. You can use any other edible oil also. So please, about 1 tablespoon coconut oil. I'm going to switch this on. From Kerala, so I'm adding coconut oil. I put some mustard, cumin seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, chopped small onion, now time to add all the vegetables. That we have boiled and kept aside. Mix this well. You can add salt. I'm going to add salt now. You can add a little later after we have finished cooking. You can try and taste, and then if you need more salt you can add it later, but as of now add little salt and stir it well. To this we will add the coconut that we ground. This is the vegetable stock. We can add little water now so that it's convenient for us to mix the vegetables. think we need the entire stock. Let me just stir it now. I have added all the vegetable stock to the avial. At this stage, please taste this once so that you will you can add more salt or spice to it. It's very, very tasty. I can get the taste of drumstick and also yam, and the other vegetables which are very important for this is the chow chow. It is giving a very good taste into the avial. Allow this to come to a boil. I don't have to add salt, it's enough. And even the spice, the 3 green chilies that I had added when grinding the coconut also is good enough, which is giving the spice. So let it come to a boil. The last ingredient in this will be 1 cup of curd. I'm going to add curd to this. Stir it well. All right, now let me just check. Maybe 2 minutes more and the water should not be so watery. All right, so it needs to be little semi watery. So this is still watery, you can see. I'm going to boil it for some more time, at least another 5 minutes, and then we should be good. So viewers, avial is ready. You can transfer this into the serving bowl and make the adai and eat the avial and adai. We are now ready to make the adai. I have taken some adai dough inside in a bowl like this. I will add salt to taste, add some chopped onions, mix it well. Light the gas and let's start cooking the adai. Once it's a little slightly hot, I have melted ghee here. It's hot enough now, and let's start making this. Add the ghee. Allow it to heat nicely at the bottom. Slowly try to remove this from the pan and turn it around. It needs to be a bit crispy. Check once. I think we need to cook it a little bit more. Just a little bit more on the other side. Here you go. It's ready. Served along with the avial. The Adai avial is now ready to be eaten.